然銷魂飯。
你老醒你叉飯啦，加多隻荷包蛋俾盡你咪22蚊碗，諗咩燃燒咩雲飯啊？
今晚食咩啊？
黯然銷魂叉燒飯，
即係要落2滴眼淚咁樣。
叉燒，好好食啊！
叉燒啊！好叉燒啊！我食到好好嘅叉燒啊！救命啊！
So today we're going to cook char siu because you asked for it, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to do it in half an hour, and you are going to cook it.
Right.
Let me tell you about the meat first.
Okay.
So this pork belly.
Okay.
So I have like one whole slab, but then I cut it like in about inch thick and skin off. I show you what's the most easy way to cook char siu fan. Okay. 點讀啊？
紅腐乳啊！
紅腐乳。
紅腐乳。
This is a Reid beancurd. Okay, just add 3 cubes to it.
3 cubes.
And the sauce.
Sauce 要幾多啊 ？How many spoon?
Aggravation.
Aggravation 憑感覺啦。
This is for the color also.
2羹，咁4件我相信就要4羹啦。
4羹啦。
我計到幾多羹啊
？3。
4。
啱啱差唔多。This is my special W wine. It's a cooking wine, and
睇上嚟呢個
it's from a very
幾重要
artisan kind of Chinese cooking wine. And it's from my friend.
重點。咁加幾多咧？
是但啊嘛。
咁多啦。
Can drink one, you know this guy? 飲一杯咧。
吹，冇啦啩？
我飲咗咁多。
我唔使嘅。
要㗎。
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
對啊。
OK。
好飲㗎，又煮得飯又可以飲得一。
Just tomate。煮嘢㗎嘛？
煮嘢。
又可以咁飲㗎喎。
可以咁飲㗎。
You can drink it like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
哦，五香 ，this is most important for char siu.
五香粉。
5 spice. One whole bulb of garlic.
One whole thing, yeah.
全部
落晒。哇，真係。
係啦。Just put more pepper. And okay, you mix it first and then see how it goes.
好。
Use hand. Use
Really?
hand. Yeah.
真係用手
Because
啊
how you put the food down.
Oh, that's true. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just mix it. Mix it up. Massage. Like
massage.
on more.
Give some love.
咁樣按摩。A bit of oyster sauce.
Okay.
Maybe just a teaspoon or so. 少少. This honey. You can use maltose. You can use honey. You can use sugar. Up to you. But I prefer honey because it gives it a very floral fragrance as well.
Okay. That's good.
Hand in.
哇，都要啊。
This is like
Yes,
really.
ma'am.
You see, it's like moisturizing your skin. You got to taste it now.
生豬肉嚟㗎喎。
唔得咩？
得㗎咩？
落肚飲酒冇事啦。
殺菌冇事。Bringing drunk cooking to the new level。你佛商冇醉啊？
佛商未醉，唔係冇醉係
未醉。
2 cups. Because he has a theory, I'm very old school, so I use my finger or my palm to measure the water. But he taught me from his mother that 1 scoop and 1 scoop water is perfect rice always. So I'm going to try it today. I should give you a name. What name? This is like the you know, like you can give a very good actor names because on the front row seat. So this guy, I need to talk to this guy. This is a sidekick. This is sidekick 2, is it?
2 scoops of rice, 2 scoops of water.
So the OYSTER is you got to the rice, the water got to be at this line.
The first section of your finger.
But I cook rice differently. I cook when I put my finger in and it reaches
It covers
almost
yeah,
knuckles.
almost like the thickness of your finger.
Yeah. So different school of thoughts.
Right.
Okay, let's cook the rice. Hi, what?
師傅，係。Cooking char siu with a wok？喂，唔係喎。
Yeah, I teach you the easiest way. But how do you cook it usually?
Oven 啦。
In
The
oven?
char siu is always grilled, so no matter char siu or roasted pork is oven。用鑊喎，係咪㗎？喂！
Yeah, this is the easiest way to cook char siu, and you don't need to cook it in bulk. Just have a few pieces and it's fine.
Right.
I mean, it's perfect for your family or perfect for you. I mean, like drinking with friends at night. It's easy to cook. And that
Yeah, it's hot。全部落晒，
落晒。
係咪啊？4件喎。
Second, just put everything in. You can fit everything.
嗰件。
得唔得啊？好食。Move it.
喂，唔好啊。
Yeah, move it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Wow.
It's on low heat now, so I think it's perfect. I'm just going to cover it. Let's drink. We got time.
又飲酒。
係啊。
Cheers. Oh my god. Cooking has never been that fun.
Okay, I'll tell you what's next.
Yes.
豬油渣。
豬油渣，pork lard。豬油。
It's pork fat without skin. Wine again.
喂，我諗住係我哋間酒啊。I mean we can top up our drink. What?
But you know why I add wine?
Oh my
Because
god.
I do not want that the smelly pork lard.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, so
wow.
this counteract everything.
Okay.
Drink. Yeah.
Yeah. 我都想再加啲嘅。
加啲啊
Yeah. Alright.
Then we look at our char siu now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, the water is good.
Wow. Smell good. Whoa. Oh my god.
Then you see the color
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
out.
it caramelized a
Yeah.
bit. Oh, that's.
So you want this to keep happening
Super.
until everything is dried up.
Oh my god.
You forgot about this guy.
喂，等陣，哇，喂，等陣，啱啱
Yeah,
需唔需要冚蓋啊？
What do you think?
冚，先啊！
This is the last moment of the char siu. So you got to taste it, and if you find it it's not sweet enough, you just add some sugar. A very light coat, yes. Yeah. What you see is the oil and the sauce separating, and you want it to look at the color now. So once it turns dark, pick up.
收到，
So this
明白啦。
yeah, 明白啊？
就係咁啊！
就係咁啦，you know what I'm talking about。
就係咁啊！
終於明我，
終於明啊！
明啦，明啦，
終於明啊！
你睇，
就係咁，
就係咁啊！
就係咁啊！真係咁啊！係咁 感覺。
咁多
OK，
少都係啊，好味啲。
係咪啊
Can it taste nicer? So
Alright,
much better.
okay.
Okay, mix it.
？Right. So it's hot
Hot
lard
lard,
oil.
oil and soy sauce, the rice.